welcome to Bamboo Homestead. This is a new episode about cats. So we just recently had 6 cats from our 1-year-old cat. Yeah, so we had lots of fun. They're so cute. I got rid of one already, which is a relief because now they're getting hectic. But yeah, hopefully after Christmas we're gonna find a home for all of them. We've just weaned them a few weeks ago and they're using mostly the toilet. When the toilet is at the right same spot, then they know where they have to go. Here is Santa Claus. Just opened all these presents. Gal, what did you get? Oh, so many trucks and diggers. Huh? Dumper trucks. Yay! So yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. This it's the 25th and it's 8:30. And now I'll show you quickly the area where we had them in, because we didn't have them in the whole house, otherwise they would have, find a spot behind the couch or something to poo. So I made them a little area in the front room where they stayed for a while, but then obviously pretty quick they climb out of it and you have to do a solid wall, which was hard. Enjoy the kitten cuteness and see you soon. Here they're having their first meal.
Und der Moggi tut der Po-Sack.
I see the butze. So the cats have just sort of realized how to eat and not from their mum. Because their mum, I can't feed her enough. She feeds like crazy to feed all those 6 kittens, and she lost so much weight. So I gave her 3 big portions a day and she could still probably eat more. It's ridiculous. And so now after 4 weeks I got them onto some food and a bit of milk, even though milk says it's not the best, but it makes it a bit more porridgey and a bit thinner, because they're used to lick, so they're mostly licking, as you can hear. They're just eating some meat pouches with a bit of milk, and I squashed it with the fork so they can really lick it up a bit more. Hello, Pistachio. Was it nice? Tasty breakfast? Yeah, tasty breakfast. Smear it on my foot, thank you. In the beginning I actually put the finger into the milk and I gave it to them like this, and they usually would lick it, but this one just doesn't want to know about it at all. Everyone else had a feed now so far. Some yesterday, these black ones are advanced. They ate the first, I think, a couple of days ago, and then her yesterday the first time, and he was also pretty good. That's our only boy, the rest is all girls. And yeah, so now just this one I have to get used to it, and then hopefully they drink less and less from the mum, and yeah, she can gain a bit of weight again. They just love to be in their little tiny box on mummy.
No.
We made them a little door where they can go out and in. So we're on our first adventure outside. Hello. glaube, der wird nicht mehr reingehen, nimm einen anderen. Und das langsam laufen. Obviously Harry goes through the grass as the first kitten. De hele gras is het. Der wird geputzt. Wat is Rumpie? Hallo. So the feeding process, weaning process has been pretty well mastered, not completely. They still have a feed of her when she lets them. But otherwise they can smash some food now. And even this one, that was a bit slower. And I tried every day, but then it would never really lick my finger. It would not be interested until this morning, and she just suddenly decided she wants to have a feed like the others. Hey Pistache! Pistachio! Oi!
No.
So here they are already a couple of weeks older again. They are now 6.5 weeks old. And yeah, they've been playing a lot outside and getting pretty confident with playing and eating their food really well. And obviously they're growing, so they eat a lot now.
The baby gaat daar eens kassen.
Gazi and hungry Kado. They ate it all. They were very hungry. So this is the front room. This is the toilet, which is just a plant crate that we carry lots of plants in. This is a chicken bag, so chicken pellet bag, which we usually maybe put straw in or whatever, but we got so many, so we can chuck it out after. And then I just put some dirt in it because it's just more economical, easier, cheaper than any cat litter. And then I just change it every 2 days or something. Yeah, so they were in this area here, and yeah, it already doesn't look like their area anymore, but it was all empty here. The chair was gone, and here was like a blockage, so they couldn't get out, and then it was easy for them to find their toilet and stuff. And the food was on the other side here. Yeah, and that's where they stayed most of the time. And now that they can climb, maybe up from 4 weeks on, they have this as well, this area here, that I just had to clean again, because they peed in the corner there and pooed in the corner there on the carpet, because we put this smelly thing outside, because unless the mummy cat also poos in there, and that is so smelly. So now I just leave it in there so they know where it is. I can't move it, otherwise they don't get it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, if I don't see you before that. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button if you did, and subscribe if you haven't, because we're a funny family, as you can see. Was macht mein lustiges Gesicht wie du? Hä? Alright, see you guys. Bye.